how to chat on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can chat on Twitch application. For that, you'll have to open your Twitch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface of your Twitch application, here at the top you'll find some icons. Click on that message icon to start chatting with the person. Here, if you have no friends, click on this Start to Whisper button to add some. Also, you can find the strangers to start chatting with. Once you find the person, if the person hasn't turned on their blocked whispers from strangers, you can chat with them easily. But if they have turned on it, you won't be able to chat with them. Continue finding the person that hasn't blocked this feature. Once you get the person, you will reach to their chat page. Here, click on Got It and start messaging. So in this way, you can chat on Twitch. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.